Look at this 2001 Mazda B-Series 2WD truck. This B-Series 2WD truck has just under 126,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This B-Series 2WD truck boasts a 3.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning and passenger airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.